Hello YouTubers, we will be making pork belly via air fryer with Teen Donovan.
We'll start off by cutting the pork belly in half, that way it'll fit into the air fryer a little bit easier. Now it's time to make the rub. It's garlic, Tajín, which is a Hispanic spice with lime, sea salt, black pepper, sweet and smoky, and some all-purpose flour. And we'll do a quick mix together. Now we'll go ahead and coat all the sides. Get it nice and coated. This is what's going to give it that nice little crust on the outside. And the second piece. And now we'll coat the basket with a cooking spray. Add the pork. And we'll set it to 250. And for 15 minutes. We'll wait. We'll check on it after the 15. Then we'll set to 400 and set for another 15. And we'll pull it out, check the temp, make sure it's over 165. And then we'll pull it out to rest on for a couple minutes on some paper towels. Get ready to taste some pork deliciousness. And don't forget, when you cook, magic happens.
Don't forget to please like and subscribe. Bye!